Alright, so on today's...
Nah, bro.
Welcome back, guys, to the Shake and Bake. Yo Drift, we got the Shake and Bake behind the camera. We got SR Mouth inside, prepping for today's episode of Lambo, Doors. Stay tuned to see some cool shit.
Protection, safety is priority here at Shake and Bake, Mota?
Of course, bro. They keep for the women, you know?
For sure, man.
You don't got nothing, but that's what it is.
It is what it is. Alright. Put that shit. Oh, fuck, bro. So these angle grinders here are pretty fucking dangerous. So,
they could split to pieces and cut you up.
Yep.
Last time one of them cut me up right here.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Major.
So that's why we've got the double eye protection here.
Yeah, because you know, does that look cheap for the ladies?
All the bitches hitting me up. They found out we're getting Lambos. I told them, yo, we got a vent and we got a door. Lambo.
Say bye to 240 would be fun. Not really.
Okay. Yep, so today Moto's gonna install some Lambo doors on this.
This basic. Oh man.
Yeah.
Actually, give me a Phillips. So underneath the panel right here, on this side.
No one cares, bro. Let's just fucking do it already.
Right. Over here, when you open your door, where the door meets the dash, there's a little cover. You gotta pop this off. You got a Phillips screw. Take that shit off.
Hey, no cursing, please. I mean, I can do it.
Remove that. Make sure you save it. Where are we putting this? Over here. Go. And then under here.
So cover. Oh, there you lost it, bro. Already.
Whatever. Under that cover, there's another Phillips.
Okay.
So what are we doing here, quick?
This should pop out.
Okay.
Put that there. Oh, I didn't have this last time.
What the fuck?
Take that off.
Yep. The clips.
And then
You lift up. Bam, done.
Damn, bro. We're done.
Quick release, bro.
What was
Halfway
that,
there.
30 seconds?
Got those right there. Alright, so hopefully this works. Mota is taping. We're gonna mark it to line it up once we put the door back on, because we're obviously gonna have to take it off. This is the Lamborghini mechanism. Come on, man, what the fuck, bro?
Back to the Future type of shit.
Nah, bro, that's different.
Yeah, those are gull wings. These are gonna be Lambo doors. What's the word?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Yeah.
Yo, who is you?
John Doe, man. Doesn't fucking matter. He brought beer. Ready?
Close the window. Oh, baby.
I told you. That's why I leave the fucking.
Oh, you already forgot?
Wait, my finger's dick. Oh, fuck yeah. You got my fucking finger. Oh, my fingy.
But did you die? Apparently we forgot to take this shit off inside. Yeah, so we forgot to take this
Roll
off.
the window down? That way.
There you go, the door's out. Go to the gym, bro. Oh, hey, don't drink and drive, bro. Don't drink and drive, bro. Holy shit. Hey, good thing you...
If I got some 24s, some Ashantis, Macaroni and shit.
You got that invisible wheel mod or what?
There you go.
Damn, you got them Paul Walkers?
Oh, Paul Walker 2s, homie.
Who are you?
I like to work on cars. Shake and bake. Get your Corona from your dad, your local supermarket.
Just cutting these bitches off. They're pretty thick. This is the hardest part for doing Lambo doors.
Yeah, it takes quite some time to cut these things off.
I'll say about 10 minutes a piece if we're lucky.
Like 20 minutes a piece?
Yeah, so 60 guys.
It only took like 20 minutes, but the hinges are off. It took like 2 blades. You can see 1 blade right there. Those are the hinges right there that he chopped off. Alright, now to pump the... Alright. Yo, that's just finally on, dude?
Okay, struggle, dude. Never again, dude. Nah, do some again, but that shit's a bitch. To modify it.
After 5 hours, we got 1 door.
Yeah, I just drill holes for these 2 because the OEM ones didn't bolt onto them. Well, it did, but it said this hinge sitting more back, so I had to make it work. It happened. I had to cut this one too. Here's what it is. It looks dope as fuck and done.
Yep. Try to go through the back with some nuts, some bolts. Same thing right here. Still gotta rewire this now. Now on that door over there, we're about to do the same thing we did to this door. Just cut the hinges off. You just cut these off to put the Lambo doors on. We got both doors on. Yep. They're looking cool. That's pretty much it. That's it for this video.
Like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell your girl to hit me up one time. Deuces.